we will learn about the different sources of food. We all eat food every day, right? Some food we eat are raw, some are cooked, and some are the mixture of various ingredients. Have you ever thought about where all these food come from? Come, let us find out. Before we find out where the food come from, let us briefly understand what is food. Food is any substance that is used as a source of nourishment by an organism. Or we can say the material or substance which we eat is called food. These are the substances from which an organism derives energy and materials for growth and development. Now the question arises, why do we need food? Let us compare our body to a car. What happens to a car if there is no petrol in its tank? It stops running. Petrol is the fuel which runs the car. Similarly, food is the fuel which living organisms require to keep functioning. We need food because food gives me energy to work and play. It helps me fight illness and infections, and it helps to grow tall and strong. So to survive and be healthy, to obtain energy, build tissue to grow and develop, we need food. So next topic which I have to explain you is importance of food. As we can see in this chart that food performs different functions. It enables the body to repair and replace worn out tissues. It keeps the body healthy and helps it to fight against diseases. Now dear children, let us come on the main topic, which is sources of food. Dear children, large variety of food is available in different forms. It is due to the fact that food habits differ according to the place a person lives in and different seasons that we experience throughout the year. For example, mangoes in summer, strawberry in winter. Chapatis are famous in North India, and rice and different dishes made from rice are famous in South. Food items can be eaten raw or prepared by mixing individual food items. For example, fruits and vegetables can be eaten raw. Ingredients are the materials which are used to prepare food items. If you ask your mother to prepare any dish, what will she do? She will collect all the ingredients to make that particular dish. For example, if she want to make chapati or roti, she used to collect acha and water. For rice, the ingredients are required are rice grains and water. For dal, pulses, water, salt, oil, ghee and spices. For vegetable curry, vegetable, salt, oil, spices and water. To make delicious kheer, we require milk, rice and sugar. To make South Indian idli, we require rice, urad dal, salt and water. And to make chicken curry, we require chicken, oil, ghee, spices, vegetables and water, etc. Now dear children, enlist any 5 food items you have eaten today. Find out the ingredients in them. You may take the help of your mother and you have to make a table. Now children, we will discuss food eaten by animals. All living things need food to remain alive. Do you know how living things get food? Most of the plants can prepare their own food. Animals including human beings on the other hand cannot. They either eat plants or other animals. So based on the food eaten, animals can be classified into three groups. First is herbivores. Herbi means plants and vor means eater. So we can say the herbivores are the animals those eat plants. Next category is carnivores. Carni means meat, vor means eater. So carnivores are the animal eaters. And the third category is omnivores. Means all, vor means eater. We can say that omnivores eat both plants and animals. You can see this chart. Here, green plants are called autotroph because they prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Herbivores. These are the plant eaters, means the animals those who eat only plants. They are called herbivores. For example, rabbit, goat, cow, etc. Second category is carnivore. The animals those eat the flesh of other animals. For example, lion, tiger, jackal, etc. Third category is omnivore. As we have already studied that omni means all, means the animals or human beings which eat both plants and other animals. They are called omnivorous. For example, human beings, squirrel, crow, etc. So with the help of this chart, you can understand the different animals categories based on the food eaten. So dear children, in this video we have learnt what is food, importance of food, different food ingredients and the categories of animals based on the food eaten. Now, in next video, we will discuss about the sources of food. First, plants as the sources of food and animals as the sources of food. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.